excuse me, but what about the passengers on board the train?
Whatever the costs may be, right?
Even the devil himself can quote scripture for his own purpose. Excuse me.
You don't wanna hurt me, yeah, yeah. But see how deep the bullet lies. I know we're tearing you asunder, yeah, yeah. Oh, there is thunder in our hearts, yeah, yeah. Is there so much heat for the ones we love, yeah, yeah. Oh, tell me we both matter, don't we? You. It's you and me. It's you and me. You won't be unhappy.
They've had so many complaints that they're going to have to shut the production down.
Who did you talk to?
Gabby. No, you can't ring her. I said that I will deal with it. If you call her
What
and
did you-
speak to her, she's going to get even more aggro about the whole thing.
Did she talk to Stefan?
Yes, it's coming from Stefan. You won't be able to get through to them.
Exactly what did she say specifically?
She said that there's been so many complaints from actors and part of the crew about the fact that we're always late and that we're over budget, that they've had to pull the funding. They've stopped funding.
Fuck you, call me back now.
Du ved ingenting. Du er intet. Du er et lille skvat. Du er et lille ynkeligt patetisk mand, der ikke kan give mig det, jeg vil have.
Så godt.
Nå, ja. Men det er bare fordi, jeg vil meget gerne lade dig bedre at kende.
Det havde også været så hyggeligt. Men jeg stopper jo efter den her uge. Eller næste uge. Så kommer Isabella tilbage fra barsel.
Men det kan de ikke bare...
Altså, det er fint. Det har jeg vidst fra starten af. Det kun var midlertidigt. Og jeg tror alligevel ikke, jeg skal være lærer.
Hvad skal du så?
Jeg flytter til Kenya. Jeg har fået job der.
Kenya?
Ja. Jeg skal være jæger. Og så uden for jagtsæsonen, så skal jeg være safari-guide.
Hvad? Jagt? Men har du ikke selv heste?
Jo.
Ja, så du elsker dyr, altså.
Meget.
Okay, så jeg... jeg er ikke sikker på, at jeg forstår, hvad...
Ja, nej, det er også lige meget. Jeg har jo hele tiden vidst, at det var midlertidigt, og ja, det skal nok blive godt.